Assalamu Alaikum friends, welcome to Simple Homemade Projects. In this video I'm going to make a mini PCB drill press machine at home. To make it you will need the following components, which includes MDF base, 1¼ inch wood dowel, 12-volt DC motor, mini drill chuck, stainless steel rods with 3.17 mm diameter, on-off switch, DC jack, white LED with a 1 kilo ohm resistor, wood screws, electric wire, 2 hook screws, and some rubber bands. First, mark a bit below on the dowel, then the length of the steel rod, and cut it at 45 degrees. To do so, I used a jigsaw. Now place the other part on top of it and secure it with screws. I also rounded the corner, but it's up to you. Now place it on the MDF base and secure it using screws. Cut a small piece from the dowel and drill 2 parallel straight holes in it. These holes should be straight and equal apart on both sides so that the block can freely move. Now drill 2 holes in each upper and the lower side in order to fix the steel rods. And in this way our sliding mechanism is ready. Now drill 2 more holes as shown and fix the hook screws, and after that add the rubber bands. And here you can see that our restoring mechanism is also working properly. Now place the drill chuck on the motor shaft and tighten it up using Allen wrench. Now place the motor on the sliding block and fix it with the help of some hot glue. And I also added 2 cable ties for extra strength. Now drill a horizontal hole in the sliding block and insert a small piece of steel rod in the hole. This piece of rod will serve as our handle in pushing the drill downwards. Now solder the resistor and the electric wire to the LED and connect it to the motor terminals and fix it on the sliding block using glue. Now connect the switch and DC jack to the motor. To run the machine I am going to use a 12-volt power supply, and I made it in one of my previous videos. If you are interested in building it, then do check the link in the description. Add a drill bit in the chuck and make a reference hole in the MDF base first. And it's time to test our machine now. Here is the PCB. So if you are satisfied with my project, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.